Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on live speeds on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Accessibility settings. In the Accessibility settings, find the live speeds option. Once you find it, tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to live speeds option and turn it on. It will turn green when enabled. And this is how you can turn on live speeds on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.